What I want to share with you is that this is not magic. An uneducated person can make $1 million a year doing, but it's not magic, it's math. You want to win a Golden Door Award? There's the recipe. All you got to do is be at 2.5 sales a week. That's going to take X number of appointments. That's going to take Y number of conversations. That's going to take Z number of doors knocked to date. It's just math. Math and work. What your income that you want to be. If you want to make a Golden Door Award, it better be something like $600,000, $700,000, $800,000, and back that into how many doors, how many conversations, how many appointments, how many sales, and how many have installed. You got to get 130 of them installed to be standing on stage next year to be a Golden Door Award winner. Most of the people in this room are not going to be on that stage a year from now. The question is, are you? Are you going to be? Everybody want to know how to make $1 million to get a Golden Door Award? It's really simple. One set, be in 3 or 4 presentations every day and close almost every single one of them.